As with all our tours, we have a list of recommended accommodations for your stay here in Avelot during your medieval Morvan tour. And we want to highlight a few in this video. If you like to stay right in the middle of Avelot, this is a simple but nice accommodation. Hotel and Pub Vauban. It is situated at the roundabout where we will end our 3 rides, and it's got some secure, free parking for a few motorbikes. So if you are booking this accommodation, make sure to mention that you are coming with your motorbike and need secure parking. This Cite Hotel Avelot Vauban is a Burgundian house of character and just outside the walled city of Avelot, a 5-minute walk down to the city centre. It promises you charm, service and friendliness. It has rooms and some studios with a small kitchen. And it has its own private secure parking at the back. Just a stone's throw away and 10-minute walk from the city centre of Avelot, you can stay in this 1900 house, Hotel Le Capucin, where you will enjoy its warm and rustic charm of this establishment, and it is surrounded with a beautiful garden. With its own private, secure parking, and although it says on booking.com that you can't make a reservation, the owner just confirmed there's always room for a bike, and if it's not here, it's in the garage for free. This hotel is just a 15-minute walk outside of the city centre of Avelot, but next to the start point of all the rides in our medieval Morvan tour. The hotel has comfortable rooms, singles, doubles, twins, triples, family rooms, everything. And because of its swimming pool, open from June to September, this might be the perfect accommodation for you. And the Duck Hotel has its own private parking at the back. If you don't mind staying outside of Avelot, this might be a perfect accommodation for you, Le Relais Fleuri. It is a 5-minute drive from Avelot and is situated in a 5 acres woodland with a heated swimming pool for you to enjoy after your rides. It's got its own restaurant and the official parking is down there, but if you come with your bike, then you can enter the gate and just park your bike in front of your room. As we prefer camping with our little camper van, we stayed on Camping Sous Roche. It is a 25-minute walk into Avelot, but mind you, from this side it is a steep climb up. It has a small but very nice swimming pool and nice pitches in a very quiet and beautiful location. And if you don't want to bring your own tent, you can rent accommodation. Like these 4-people Canadian pre-erected tents, simple but fun 2-people pots, or these fully equipped 4 to 6 people chalets. We are sure that with all this information you will be able to find a perfect accommodation for your stay in Avelot during your medieval Morvan tour. And remember, we also have a separate video on the highlights of Avelot. It's in the middle of your screen. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing.